Hey, today we'll learn about the phrasal verb ask somebody out. It means to invite someone on a date. For example, you can ask someone out to dinner or a movie. Remember, somebody means somebody. You always put the person between ask and out. So say ask her out, not ask out her. You can say, I want to ask him out. It's a polite way to show romantic interest. You might feel nervous, but it's okay. Practice with friends or in your mind first. You can also ask someone out for coffee or a walk. It doesn't have to be fancy. Be clear and confident when you ask. If someone asks you out, you can say yes or no politely. Ask somebody out is common in everyday English. Try to use it in your conversations. Now, let's practice. Say, I want to ask her out. Great. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.